everybody, today I would like to show you how you can use the new product Glue Stop, which is going to prevent your fans from closing up as much as they tend to do when you have maybe a little bit too much adhesive or we don't have quite enough humidity for the glue to set. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Glue Stop. Actually, we're going to just work in this area right at the base, not quite at the bottom there, but sort of at the base, halfway of the lashes. And I'm going to leave the top lashes untouched. Now I will try and film this all in one go so people can't say and go ahead and say that I've edited it. So you have to bear with me as I'm moving my camera around and maybe giving this 1 or 2 trials. I'm using the Z Tweezers from Lash Tribe, and I'm just picking up a random amount of lashes, and I'm going to use the push and pop method, which is also called the Lash Tribe method. I'm just going to do maybe these ones here. Pick up, you can see, moving the camera along, dipping a normal amount, applying it and letting go. You can see how the fan has slightly closed up right there. I'm going to do the same again using the bottom lashes. Let's make this sharp. There we go. So I'm going to pick up the bottom lashes. Then this one. Moving it along. Opening up. This is quite a wide fan, but we'll work with it. The base crossed over slightly, so I'm just going to try and fix it up. There we go. Now we're going to dip same amount, go straight onto where we are, there and there, and let go. And you can see how this fan stayed open really, really nicely. Now I will repeat this again. So we're going to start with the top one again, which doesn't have it on it. I'm just going to show it with the same amount of lashes too. So we have 5, closing up slightly there. Got 5 there. You can also do this with the on tape method, on or off tape. We've got 6 there, so I get rid of 1, make it nice and wide like the other one. Oh. Dip, same amount, go straight on, place, let go. Oops, this one's actually opened up more. We lost one there. So you can see how this stays open much, much wider. Let me do this a few times so you can get an idea of how this works a little bit. Gonna do more. You can see how perfect this fan stayed open. And let's do this super duper close up again. Back does not have Glue Stop on it. I've had a coffee, so I am shaking a little bit. Oh, there we go, zooming in a bit. Tiny amount of glue. Straight on, let's put it over here and let go. You can see how it's closed up. Next, we're going to go to the bottom again. open fan, little dip, go straight on and let go. You can see how it stays open right there. Glue stop, glue stop, glue stop, non-glue stop, non-glue stop, glue stop, and non-glue stop. But this is only 3D. So there you go. This is how you can see how glue stop works. Again, I will show you one more time by placing an ever so slight amount about at the halfway mark right there. Not too low, not too high. This will prevent the fan from closing up too much, but you can still wrap it because the bottom of the strip is still, intact. There's nothing applied to that bottom there.